Okay guys, welcome back. This is one of the projects that has been taking some of my time this winter. We're on the Case IH 5000 Swather. So right here on the injection pump, there is a junction there between the body and the cap. The distributor, I don't know what you call that on the injection pump, but it had a little leak. And it got worse all last summer. And so this winter my friend the mechanic Kirby came and helped me, and we pulled the injection pump and had to send it off to get repaired. This is a German diesel motor, little 4-cylinder. And while we had it off, Kirby tested the injectors for me, and the injectors were all messed up. So we got the injectors rebuilt. Well, the good news is that motor, which has very little wear on it, is done leaking diesel now, and it starts very good. The other thing that needed to be done with the Swather, I haven't showed it to you, but I put the forage head on it last year. I think I showed it to you one time running. But this, very similar to the Heston heads that I like. It has the steel on tie core rolls, and those do a real good job of eating things and not plugging. I don't think I had a single plug last year, and that was in the wet year and kind of the brutal conditions. But the other job that needs to be done, the light here, it's probably overwhelming us, but right there is the eccentric, the pivot thing that makes the pickup reel work. And all 4 bearings are worn out. The ones that are, on the other side of this shaft, or on the other side of that arm down there. In the eccentric, there's going to be a bearing. All 4 of those bearings are shot, and there's a sleeve collar that thing rolls around on. And it has play in it, and it needs to be rebuilt as well. But working on the Swather, and while I had the hood off, I decided to paint the hood, and it's not turning out near as well as I thought. I'm not very good at painting, but it is going to have a little bit of color on it again. But it will be, the Swather should be tight and right and ready to go. I don't think I showed this to you last year, but when I put that air ride seat in the 596 Massey, I took the seat out of the Massey and put it in the Swather, which was a very, very nice modification that needed to be done. This thing still had its factory seat, but having that seat in it, you can actually operate, for an afternoon without having your back go out. Anyway, I like the little Swather. It's a big step above, big improvement over a pull type Swather, and you can cover a fair amount of acres. And so anyway, a little video about the maintenance work on the Case IH 5000 Swather. Thanks.